Hello guys, in this video I am gonna show you how to install Red Wolf Recovery, and using Red Wolf Recovery how to install OTA without losing your root. You can see that I booted my device into fast boot mode. Yeah, let me connect my device to the USB. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, search for device, fast boot devices. You can see my device got connected, and now install downloaded Red Wolf Recovery. Yeah, I have renamed the downloaded Red Wolf Recovery as Red Wolf. Yeah, using this command install it. Yeah, you can see that it's getting installed. After that, yeah, press volume up button and power button to reboot into Red Wolf Recovery. Let me show you. Press it until you can feel vibration. Yeah, you can see this. Yeah, I can see it got installed. Red Wolf Recovery by ATG Droid. Yeah, he is the developer of this. Thanks ATG. It takes time to boot up because it's not normal recovery. It has many features like torch, and you need not flash lazy flasher by using this, and you can customize this. Yeah, mainly in the screen, do not change anything, keep it as read only, do not change it. Okay, you can swipe to reboot into recovery. Yeah, from here go to advanced, special actions. Okay, ignore it. Enable first two options, disable DM verify and disable forced encryptions. By using this, by enabling these two options, you need not flash lazy flasher. So after this, support, enable this option, support MIUI incremental OTA. By this is main thing, you should do that for sure to install OTA without losing root and recovery. Yeah, after that, download whole ROM of your device. My device is Mido, so I have downloaded the whole ROM. Yeah, wait. Sorry, the device is not getting focused properly. Yeah, I have downloaded the whole ROM. Yeah, you can see this. Just install it, do not install anything with this. Yeah, you can see Red Wolf successfully loaded incremental OTA. It automatically takes backup of some files to for OTA survival. Do not change anything, do as I did. Yeah, you can see my device is getting patched and getting installed. It takes time because it's a whole ROM. If you can't follow the process, I have written a tutorial in MIUI forum. You can follow that. I'll keep the links in the comment section. Yeah, you can even join Telegram group if you have any doubts. And today I will be uploading this tutorial. Note, yeah guys, this is for now, this recovery is not working on 2GB variants of both Mido and Kenjo, that is Redmi Note 4X and Redmi Note 3. See, you can see this, it has taken backup of some files. See, Red Wolf process OTA back done. It takes you need not do anything, just it is automatic. Yeah, just reboot system, it boots into your system. And note this point, your device doesn't get replaced with stock recovery even after installing the whole ROM. These the by enabling those options in advanced. So by doing this, you need not again install the stock recovery or Red Wolf recovery. Red Wolf recovery doesn't get replaced with stock recovery. Sorry for my bad English, I'm not good at doing tutorials, this is just to help people. Yeah, let me pause this because boot takes time. Until then I will pause the video. See, the device just booted now. Yeah, you can see my version is 9.7.11.2. Yeah, let me go into recovery again and install root. For root I am using Magisk. Remember guys, for now OTA is not working with SuperSU installed, so for root use Magisk. With Magisk OTA is getting installed perfectly, so for now use Magisk to for root access. Remember guys, for now use Magisk for root access. Do not install SuperSU because OTA is failing. Yeah, you can see in Red Wolf recovery you need not download Magisk again, because in recovery itself developer has enabled zip files of Magisk. You can directly install from recovery itself. I mean, you need not download again. It has inbuilt feature to install Magisk. Yeah, booting takes time, but let me show you. Yeah, go here, you can see Magisk file, flash it. Yeah, let me pause this video. Okay, let me show till it boots up. After that I'll show whether root is installed or not. Since Magisk is systemless, it OTA will not fail, but SU is different, so OTA is failing for now. In future developer may fix this, even it will work with SuperSU. However, with Magisk only you have many uses. You can even install module from exposed module from Magisk only, no problem with that. I have been using from long time. Yeah, just reboot system. Yeah, let me pause this video. Actually it takes time to boot. Yeah guys, you can see this, my device got booted up with Magisk installed. Let me show you. Don't worry, don't know why it's taking time to load, because I have installed many apps, no memory inside. Yeah, you can see Magisk. Wait, because without internet it will not show. Yeah, you can see Magisk is installed. Yeah, let me show you again. Yeah, you can see Magisk is installed. One more thing, if you installed exposed with Magisk module, yeah, it will not pass safety net. That is not mine. This doesn't belongs to this tutorial. Okay, now go search for OTA. Okay, you can see that I am on 7.11.2. Yeah, I have got OTA. Let me download. After downloading, let me show you. Yeah, wait, it's downloading fast, no problem, you can wait. Yeah, you can see this is not, even though Magisk install, I am not getting total whole RAM OTA. I'm getting incremental OTA only. Don't worry guys, don't know why some guys are getting whole ROM. If you are getting that, go and clear the cache and data of updater app. You will get incremental OTA. You can see I have root installed. See this, I have Lucky Patcher installed. It will ask for root permissions. No, wait. Yeah, just to show whether I have root or not. Yeah, actually it's downloaded. Let me show you one thing. Close it. Yeah, you need not worry, I have actually granted permissions to all these things. You can see my super user. OTA is installed, but it doesn't pass safety as I have installed exposed module. Yeah, don't do anything, just do this. You need not go to recovery or something like that. You should install OTA directly from updater app itself. Yeah, just press reboot now. Remember guys, just press reboot now. You need not do anything. Red Wolf recovery takes care of everything. It is automatic. It automatically installs OTA. One more thing guys, if you don't install whole RAM, OTA doesn't work, because while installing whole RAM, Red Wolf recovery takes backup of some files which are required for OTA. While when you get OTA, it will reboot into recovery, it restores the backup files and installs this. Previously I was on 7.11.2. You can see this. See this. Wait. Yeah, you can see OTA is getting installed normally. You need not do anything. When you press reboot button, it goes to recovery and automatically gets installed as stock recovery. You can see successfully loaded incremental OTA data. You need not do anything. It directly installs OTA. Yeah, it takes time. Once, let me pause the video. It does everything automatically. It patches the system, it patches the data, it patches everything. You need not do anything. Everything is automatic. Let me pause this video. When it is and over, it will reboot into recovery. It takes time, actually it takes time. So I am pausing this video. Yeah, you can see this system recovered successfully, because we have taken the backup of, it has taken backup of the system when you installed whole OTA. One more thing guys, I'm using MIUI beta China RAM. It works on both global stable, global beta, China stable, China beta. You need not worry. I'm using stock MIUI RAM, and you may think that why I got update fastly. I am MIUI beta internal tester, so I got update very fastward version. You need not worry. He may, and one more thing, it works on MIUI Pro RAMs and everything, so no problem. You can install with Mido devices and Kenjo devices. Yeah, it takes time to install. Yeah, note that recovery, reboot after every installation takes time. Do not panic that my device got soft bricked or hard bricked. Do not worry. It happens normally for every installation, even after installing whole ROM, even after installing Magisk, even after installing incremental OTA. Do not panic that your device got soft booted or hard bricked. Let me pause this video. Yeah, you can see script succeeded, patching system image after verification. It will automatically reboot now. See, wait, you need not do anything guys, it will automatically reboot. Yeah, you can see it's getting rebooted. See, yeah, one more thing guys, Magisk gets disabled, not uninstalled, gets disabled. So since you have recovery install, you can again boot into recovery and install Magisk. That's not a problem. Yeah, I'll show the updation screen after some time, because the reboot takes time. Yeah, you can see my device got booted up. Hello. And my device version was 7.11.2. now you can see OTA got installed 7.11.3. Yeah, you can see OTA got installed, guys, with no problems and no with successfully. As I said, you will lose Magisk, not a problem, because you can again go to into recovery and you can install Magisk. Thank you, guys. If you have any doubts, please post comments below the video, or go to Red Wolf Recovery Telegram channel and I mean group, and post your comments or bugs there. Developer will fix that and he'll help you.